Very good morning, everybody. As you know that we have been discussing human resource management, and currently we are into the topic that is known as personnel administration, and we have been discussing duties, roles, powers and responsibilities of personnel manager. So far as you know that we have already discussed last time what is the role or responsibilities or duties of personnel administration as a service provider, and first is providing information to various stakeholders of the organization as well as inside, outside. Now today we shall more discuss as a service provider what is the role of a personnel manager. Here we see that to interpret and assimilate complex labor laws, government rules and guidelines. This is also duty of personnel manager. See, time on time government passes many rules and regulations related to labor or workforce. There is a separate labor ministries there, labor relations and all. They're all across the country there are so many factories, plants, workers are working, trade unions, trade relations. So here as a personnel manager, it is the duty of personnel manager that he will interpret, he will read all the laws, labor laws, government rules and guidelines very carefully, understand them, interpret them and assimilate all these labor laws with respect to the company's processes, activities and functions. There should not be any clash between company's processes and activities and the guidelines which are stipulated in the labor laws or government's particular documentations. So it is the duty of personnel manager to assimilate, understand all those important labor laws, government rules and guidelines, and have a better understanding of all of them, and also make the organization to follow them so that there is no hazards as far as legal constraints are concerned, legal field is concerned. Company should not be blamed by government department authority that there is something not according to rules and laws. So this role is very important to personnel manager. Of course, personnel manager also do this in being in touch with company secretary as well as top officials of the company and some other officials or other stakeholders as well. But this is the prime duty of personnel manager to have a better understanding of labor laws and labor related rules and guidelines. Next is to draft, plan and execute. Draft, plan and execute. What employment and placement programs, what are the placement programs will be there, how hiring will be done, what is the total structure of placement and hiring program or placement program, training development program and all. So first he has to prepare the draft, he has to do the planning of all those HR related activities, and also he has to execute all the plans and programs in a proper way. Next, number 4 is maintaining good industrial relations. Industrial relations, or it is also called labor relations. Maintaining good. All industrial relation means relation between trade unions and as well as laborers and management of the organization. Relation within or between laborers or within trade union representatives and relation trade union representative and owners or management top officials and all. So here it is the prime duty of the personnel manager that industrial relation or so-called labor relation within the organization should be in a good condition, should be in a very amicable condition, so that there are no clashes and works goes on smoothly. So this very important role of personal manager as a service provider. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.